So in this video, I want to show you how you can sign up correctly for the TikTok Ads Manager. And really important, before we do so, you will find the link to the TikTok Ads Manager down in the video description here. And it's a partner link. And when you click on it, you will see that TikTok is currently running a special offer for you. So right now they will give you up to 6,000 USD in ad credits. And this is pretty amazing to get started when TikTok is kind of sponsoring you. And of course, this starts a little lower. So when you spend 200 USD, TikTok will top your ad credits with another 200 USD. And of course, there are some terms and conditions. Most importantly, you need to spend the amount here in the first 30 days of your campaign. But yeah, just to make sure that you will get some support from TikTok from the get-go, make sure you click on the link down in the video description. Then you will land on this page where you can sign up for TikTok Business for the Ad Manager. And down here, you just have to type in your email. Then you have to accept the terms and conditions. And I don't want to subscribe to the email newsletter. And then you click on next. And a quick puzzle will pop up where you just have to select these two objects which are alike. So the 2S and then confirm. And now TikTok will send you a 2-factor code. I will just paste that in. And next you can type in your business name, for example, Weber Media. Then your website URL, for example, julianweber.com. And your industry, I select e-commerce for, let's say, electric appliance. And then you can just type in your phone number. Of course, this is not my correct phone number. And now we just have to accept the terms and condition once again. Click next and get started. And now we are inside the TikTok Ads Manager. Here we have to accept the anti-discrimination ad policy. I will do that really quickly. And now you can start running your campaigns. And yeah, this is the TikTok Ad Manager. Here you can set up your campaigns. Under Tools, you will find the Creative Library where you can spy on other people's ads. You have the Audience Manager where you can create audiences or lookalike audiences. And most importantly, here under Tools, you have the Event Manager where you can set up the TikTok Pixel, for example, for your Shopify store in order to be able to track your sales. And here under Finance, you can connect your payment methods, for example, credit card or PayPal, and then you can pay for your ads. But this will also happen when you create your first campaign. At the very end, TikTok will ask you for your payment details. So yeah, this was how you can sign up for the TikTok Ads Manager, how you create your account. And here you can start running your ads. And if you want to start now, remember, you will find the link to TikTok Ads down in the video description. Right now, they will offer you a coupon code, which will give you up to 6,000 USD in ad credits. And if you want to learn more how to run your TikTok ads professionally, I have a TikTok course, which is free on how to start advertising on TikTok. And you will find the link to it down in the video description. You can just sign up via email and get the course for free. And in here, I will explain to you everything you need to know to run your TikTok ads professionally. And yeah, this was how to get started and how to create your own TikTok Ads Manager. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and see you in the next video. Goodbye.